Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha. For those who don't know me, I'm Aisha Naviksa. So today I decided to do this colorful. I use like eyeshadow powder in neon, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit that notification button so that if I upload you can get to watch the new stuff. Welcome back again. So yeah, it's another video I took on the same day. So if you didn't see how I did my eyebrows, I'll link the video on my description. You get to learn on how to do your eyebrows using soap. Just a simple and easy task. So today I'm going to use the Ilya Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to use it as my base stroke primer on my eyelids, and after that I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just tap that product in. As you're seeing here. So for today's eyeshadow I'll be using these four neon products, neon powder eyeshadow, and I'm also going to use this black shade from James Charles palette. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to use more of neutral color or neutral shade. It's going to act as my transition. So what you just do is go round and round. I'm now going to take another brush and tap in from the purple shade. Now that purple shade is going to start from here. What I'm doing is just tap. I'm tapping it in, and see, and after that again I'm going to go in with another brush again, and this round I'm going to go in with the blue shade. The blue shade is just going to go next to the purple one. And after that I'll go in again with another brush and go in with that shade, this one. I know it's more of pink, more of orange. Now this is going to settle in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to blend them in. I don't want to be having those harsh lines. And this dark shade I'm just going to apply that right where the purple shade is. After that I'll show you the shades that I use. They are still from James Charles palette. This is more of kind of lighter than the other blue, so I'm just going to apply it on top here. And after that I'm going to go in with more like that, more baby pinkish You see? And now blend the black shade. Voila. So now what we're going to do is cut that crease. I'll be using this angled brush and my Ilya Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Not crease, I mean wing liner. After I'm done with the wing liner, I'll go in with my makeup remover with earbud to remove the excess eyeshadow that is here on the where we are going to apply our wing. We are through. Now I'm going to apply the concealer. I'm going to use a more tinier brush like this. Now I'm going to remove that tip and we see. You see? So let me do the other eye off camera. I'll be back.